Hello and welcome to this course in which you're going to be learning about how you can create your own advanced virtual assistant Jarvis using Python programming language. I am Arbaz Khan and I will be your instructor throughout the course. My previous course on Learn to Create AI Assistant Jarvis with Python has over 41,000 plus enrollments, and it is one of the best selling course on Udemy platform. And in this course, we are going to be learning about how you can create an advanced version of the previous virtual assistant Jarvis. It will be similar from Marvel's Iron Man movie in that character Tony Stark has this virtual assistant called Jarvis, and we are going to be recreating that in the real world. Not only that, we are going to be creating the other virtual assistant as well, which is called Friday. So after Jarvis turned into Vision, so Tony Stark created this virtual assistant called Friday. So not only you are going to be learning about Jarvis virtual assistant, but also learning about how you can create your own Friday assistant as well. So I hope you are excited for this course. So without further ado, let's get started with the course.
Hello, I'm JARVIS 2.0, an advanced artificial intelligence assistant developed using Python programming language, machine learning, natural language processing and neural networks, integrated with IoT and robotics. Created by Arbaz Khan. In this course you are going to learn to create an advanced artificial intelligence assistant using Python programming, machine learning and natural language processing. Let me show you some of my features that I'm capable of.
Hello Jarvis.
Hello sir, Jarvis at your service. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Jarvis, initiate the drone in selfie mode.
Okay sir, initiating drone in selfie mode.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence, and I'm here to assist you with a variety of tasks as best I can, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Importing all preferences from home interface. Systems are now fully operational.
Jarvis, turn on lamp.
Okay sir, turning on lamp.
Jarvis, turn off lamp.
Okay sir, turning off lamp.
Jarvis, turn on the AC.
Okay sir, turning on the AC with temperature 20 degrees Celsius.
Turn on the lights, Jarvis.
Okay sir, turning on the lights.
Turn off lights, Jarvis.
Okay sir, turning off the lights.
Jarvis, turn on the wipers.
Okay sir, turning on the wiper.
Jarvis, open the left window.
Okay sir, opening the left window.
Jarvis, close the left window.
Okay sir, closing the left window.
Jarvis, play some songs.
Okay sir, opening the playlist.
Jarvis, how is the weather?
Sir, the temperature in the car is 25 degrees Celsius.
Jarvis, how much fuel do I have?
Sir, the fuel is around 12 liters. We can go 171 kilometers now.
I hope you liked it what you saw. Then what are you waiting? Click on that enroll button now and get started with the course to create your own advanced personalized AI assistant. Okay, I need to go. Mr. Khan is back. Love you 3000.